yesterday. We actually are picking up wind speeds from yesterday. These are our totals right now. We did see Bluefield, West Virginia, picked up 45 miles per hour. Pipeston at 29, but as we head down to Giles County, Mountain Lake, 62, the highest on our list for these wind reports. Lewisburg, Berks Garden, we're into the middle and upper 40s. Now, winds right now much calmer for us. We are seeing that they're going to continue coming out of the north and the west for us today. Should be holding on to these numbers around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Really holding on to the cloud cover over top of the area for us right now. A little bit more up to our north and our west. We do see that we have some moisture, even a little bit of some snowfall. But out to the west, having some difficulty with some traveling. They are dealing with blizzard warnings, winter storm watches, winter storm warnings, winter weather advisories. So with that in mind, if you are heading out today, getting that Thanksgiving done a little bit later, or heading back home, Viagra Airport's looking great. We're having temperatures into the 40s, mostly cloudy conditions though, so a little bit of turbulence is possible. The East Coast isn't really looking too bad. We did see that we're mostly dry around there, so Charlotte, even up to New York, we are dealing with just a little bit of cloud cover, but we're not dealing with any precipitation. Off to the west though, snow in Colorado. Tucson, Arizona is dealing with some rain showers too, so could expect some delays if you're heading out to the west. Temperatures right now, we're holding on to the 30s and even the 20s for some spots, so a little bit cooler of a start today than what we saw yesterday, but our high temperatures actually will be just a little bit warmer than yesterday, not by much. We'll be in the lower and middle 40s for most. Lower elevations could be into the upper 40s for a few spots. At least though, we're calming down, so those winds don't make it so much more colder outside than what it actually is. So today, really holding on to the cloud cover throughout today. Even overnight, we still could see a stray shower. Overnight tonight and into tomorrow, most of the area should stay dry until we head tomorrow morning. We'll actually have widespread showers engulf basically the whole entire viewing area tomorrow. If we do have a little bit colder air still pulling up, I could see higher elevations dealing with a little bit of some freezing rain and some sleet. We'll have heavy rain at some times too. Some locally heavier downpours are expected, especially around the dinner time hours. Continues on Saturday night into Sunday. That cooler air wraps around, so we could have that mixing, a little bit of freezing rain, sleet. Really isn't looking like any snowfall is going to come out of this. It just looks like there's more wet conditions. So potential rainfall does show an inch for most of the area that we could see tomorrow into Sunday morning. This is until 6 a.m. We could be seeing an inch of rainfall. Looks like we're still going to hold on to a little bit of moisture too, even on Sunday. We'll be having those mixing scenarios. Now heading into Monday though, it looks like we will be holding on to a little bit of some light snow over the area. Totals really aren't accumulating to much. This is very far out too. This is just to give you an idea though. So these could change. These numbers definitely should fluctuate. We could see anywhere 1 to 3 inches, dusting for some places. Higher elevations could see a little bit higher than that. Our extended forecast does show that we will be dry today, but we do have the showers arrive for us tomorrow, lasting throughout the weekend, even into the early portions of next week, but we do have a lot of cooler air coming in. Highs will only be in the 30s, start us off on Monday and Tuesday.